yeah, sorry.
Later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to just be something regular, nothing too special. This man here, I'm tired. What? So today is Sunday guys, and I'm making rice and stew guys. I'm tired, like subscribers, please subscribe to my mommy's channel. Thank you. Oh yeah, sorry. My baby. You're crying.
Yeah, sure.
Cry, baby. How are you?
To do it for your boss.
내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 이 맘 전하고 싶어.
I'm having headache. Anyways, how you guys doing? I feel like this last week that I didn't upload anything, I feel so like I'm not fulfilling my purpose or something, but it's not my fault. I'm just really tired. Like guys, coronavirus is real. Please, everybody should just stay safe out there. Like seriously, since I've not been feeling fine, I've not been getting myself. I'm even trying to make these videos for you guys because I promised myself that I'm going to be uploading at least twice every week. Like I'm going to make it a must for me. I must be uploading because I need this channel to grow to I need this channel to grow as fast as possible. Like I want to be seeing progress the more I upload, because sometimes when my channel doesn't grow, it's always my fault because I'm not consistent in uploading. Anyways, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. I don't know whether I'm trying to incorporate cooking videos on these videos I'm uploading, but my kitchen is just too it's not as bright as I want it to be. But maybe I'll just change the bulbs to a brighter one, the one that has higher watts or something like that. Yeah, so guys, I'm tired of this hair. Like I don't know that I should barb. I don't know whether I should cut it or I should just relax it. Either of these two, in case you guys see me next, like if you guys see me again and you don't see this natural hair thing. I'm tired. I am tired. Me and my sister have been contemplating whether we should just cut or relax. She has already made up her mind that she's going to relax it. My mom has been begging her, Chinene, let me relax your hair now. Chinene, let me relax your hair now, please. And she has hair more than I do, so she has already made up her mind that she's going to be relaxing it. But I've not yet made up my mind. I don't know the one I should do. Like, my head is pounding. I'm having serious headache, you guys. Yeah, so my brother sent us a video, a clip of my dad and my mom where they're fighting. They are fighting over who should stay on which side of the bed. Can you imagine these two people, these two old men, these two old man and wife? That time when we were still very, very small, every Saturday they used to fight. Not like fight like cry, like serious punching and all, like this cute fight. Oh my god, I miss those days. They will be fighting every Saturday. They used to wake us up actually with that fight. Like, they'll just be fighting all this, using us to, everybody will not pick a side, whether you're with the mom or with the dad, you'll not be fighting each other. Like, up to date they still do it, and I really, 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 really enjoy it. Anyways, DK is sleeping and I'll just go and make dinner. I'm gonna make dinner and start editing this video. Please, can you guys leave a comment of the kind of video you want to see? And by the time I change my kitchen bulbs, I'm going to be incorporating the cooking videos, so to make these videos very, very interesting, more interesting actually. Maybe try new things, not the regular kind of food you guys used to see. Then again, I'm looking to stop breastfeeding DK. Like, I'm going to start giving him solid. I've already started giving solid food. I used to incorporate Srelak. I got an oatmeal for him and pap. Like, I used to give him variety so that it doesn't like get used to one thing. Then I also used to give him milk, then breast milk too. But this month, by the end of this month, May, I'm going to stop. Like, I'm going to stop breastfeeding. Bam. Like, I'm going to stop fully. Anyways, so I know that stopping to breastfeeding is very, very painful, and I'm crying out to you guys in this video. Like, please, if you have had a baby before and how did you stop breastfeeding? I know it's very, very painful, because whenever I go to school back then, when I was still in school, before these things started, my mom came around those times. Then when I go to school and I stay in school for like 5 hours or more, than my breast used to be very, very heavy, and like it's very, very painful. Talk more when you don't breastfeed the child for a full day. Like, I know that it's going to be very, very painful. So I've already gone to the doctors, and doctors say that I should wear a very, very tight bra, and I should be taking paracetamol, Panadol, any pain relieving medicine. I don't know. If you have any other way that works for you more, please leave a comment in the comment section. It's going to really, really help me. Okay? Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to take you guys to the kitchen with people. I don't like the way my kitchen looks in the camera, so I'm just going to change the bulbs in that kitchen. Yeah, so that at least when you enter somewhere like this, it's already like 7 o'clock in the night. You still think that it's like during the day. So I'm going to just change the bulbs and start making a cooking video for you guys. I'll see you guys on my next one. Sorry that I'm looking like this. I'm tired, and nobody should ask me to go and make my hair, because sorry, I can't. I'm still trying to grow my front hair back. We're almost there. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment as you always do. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. My headache, my head is pounding. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.